Look, see and watch are verbs that we use to talk about our sense of sight, but they have important differences in meaning. So in this video, we're going to look at the differences between these three verbs. So welcome back to the channel. I am Rebecca. So let's begin. The first one is look. When we look, we see something. We make an effort to look. You're directing your eyes to a particular direction, right? For example, look at that picture. So you intentionally look at it, right? You make an effort to look at the picture. You cannot look at the sun. You see it, say, from the corner of your eyes, but you cannot look at it directly, right? So that's the difference. You see it, but you cannot look at it. Next is see. See means to become aware of someone or something by using your eyes. We see automatically, right? We don't have to make an effort. When you open your eyes, you just see something, right? You look in the mirror, you see your face. You don't have to make an effort. You look at the mirror, but you see your face. So see is something that just happens. It's just automatic. It just comes in your eyes, right? Watch. Watch means to look at someone or something for an amount of time and pay attention to what is happening. When we watch something, we are more active. It's like look, but it requires more effort from us. We watch things that move or change in some way, and we watch the movements and changes. For example, I watch a movie every weekend. So when you watch a movie, you watch it for an amount of time and you pay attention to it, right? You pay attention to what's happening. So you watch a movie or you watch a cricket match, a football match. Watch is when you give your attention and interest. If you are directing your eyes at something, use look. If you are talking about something that your eyes simply observes, you can use see. And if you are paying attention to something for a period of time, use watch. That's it. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.